Welcome to fundingtraders.com. This is a place for people who want to achieve financial freedom through trading. Now, after being on Wall Street for 2 decades, I know a thing or two about trading. And one of the things that nobody talks about as to why retail traders mostly lose money, it's not because they're unskilled, ungifted, and poor risk managers. Mostly, they're undercapitalized. And let me explain what I mean. For example, Warren Buffett, a famous investor, right? He is famous for producing 27% a year over year. Now, for the sake of the argument, if your grandma leaves you $100 million and you make 27%, that's $27 million. You can make a living off of that, I hope. But most retail traders, they maybe have 10 grand, 1,000, maybe 50,000, 20,000. And 27% of when you have $10,000 trading account is only $2,700 in a whole year. Hardly worth your time trading and working for the whole year. It's below minimum wage, at least in Western countries. So what happens is people, the first stage of retail traders, they take that $10,000 and they want to turn it into 1 million or more. And eventually they blow up. Maybe they double, maybe they triple, maybe they 10x it. But eventually they blow up their accounts and they have to start anew. Now, the next step, the intermediary retail traders, they figured out, all right, all I need is my living expenses a month is 2-3 grand. So if I can make 2 grand a month from that $10,000-$20,000 that I have, and I've been trading for a year or two, I can make it happen. And they can most of the months. But what happens when you have a break-even month? You still have to pay the rent. So now you're taking money out from your main account just to cover the rent, right? For the month. What happens if you have a losing streak? Yeah, a month or two, then your account is down with all the expenses for rent, etc., 20, 30, 50%. So out of sheer desperation now, you're trying to make up for all the lost revenue, and you still have the expenses, your living expenses, month after month. So now you're acting emotionally and you start over leveraging, and that's when you get in trouble. So having capital, having lots of capital, frees your mind, knowing that if you only make 5% a month from $500,000, that's $25,000 a month. I'm sure you can make do with that amount of money. And that allows you to actually concentrate on risk management, on proper trading, and growing as a trader. And that's why we're bringing this firm online, to offer that chance to people who are tenacious, who don't want to have a boss, live life on their own terms, and achieve financial freedom. Now, how are we different from majority of other prop firms? Well, the answer is simple. This firm is founded by traders for traders, meaning we want to create a team of traders that sit with us in the same boat, going in the same direction. Most prop firms, I think all prop firms, just give you money and say good luck, and probably most of the people lose money, etc., etc. They have no guidance. While our proposition is simple. Again, we want to create the most profitable prop firm in history. And that means you're going to be sitting in the same rooms, listening to the same things, and getting same education, talking same books, same trades, same setups, similar ideas, exchanging knowledge all day long with us, with people who are professional. So if you're an intermediary trader, not only you can make money, but you're also going to grow as a trader yourself. And why are we doing that? Why are we giving you access to institutional research, for example, and access to big time traders? Well, because the more big time traders we can create, the more money we'll make, the happier we'll get, right? So it's in my interest, it's in your interest, it's a win-win situation. So if you want to achieve your financial freedom, I think you should give this a shot. I'm always here. Drop me a line anytime, and I welcome you to the team.